Today you're going to work on a milestone task. This milestone task is just directed on the last part of this unit, all about measurements. Let's read through the task together. It's called Track and Field Day. In part 1, you see a table of people and how far or the distance they've ran during 4 days. Something you might notice is that there are different units used to measure. So you're going to have to do some conversions here. Use the chart to answer the questions. How far did each person run during the 4 days last week? So you're going to need to do a total of the 4 days for each person. Which runner ran the longest distance in 1 day, and how long was that run? And which runner ran the shortest distance in 1 day, and how long was that? So it's really important that you are able to use a consistent unit, because you can't compare 1 7/10 of a kilometer with 1800 meter because they're not in the same unit. Be sure to show all your work here. Then it says Sarita ran farther than 2 of the people in the table and less far than the others. She ran the same distance each day. So now we're introducing a new person. So pretend that there's another person on this chart. How far could Sarita have run each day, and explain how you got that answer. Finally, you're going to move on to some long jump statistics. Here are the people, and here's how far they jumped. Put the students in order from longest to shortest jump and explain how you solved that problem. Remember, now we're in the US customary system of yards, feet, and inches, and it would be important to keep these consistent as well when you put your students in order. And then what's the difference between the longest and shortest jump? And then finally, Drew jumped farther than 4 students but less than 7 feet 7 inches. How far could Drew have jumped? So again, now Drew is a new student. He's not in this, but we're going to decide how far he jumped based on some of the clues they gave us. Like he jumped farther than all of them, but less than 7 feet 7 inches. So this is definitely multi-step problems. You're going to need to spend a lot of time on this and really be careful with your math and your conversions in order to be precise with your answers. Good luck.